So as we were saying,
no, lounge's over. Secrets up.
Recap?
Quick recap. All right. We're talking about MultiBind today.
MultiBind, Crossfire MultiBind.
Previously, it actually wasn't really needed, right? Because you either had a
Before
micro TX
Tango-
or a full-size TX.
Yeah, before Tango comes out.
But now we've had a lot of people buying this one here, Tango 2. So they want to fly with this and with their previous remote on the same drone. So we came up with MultiBind that allows you to bind a receiver to multiple transmitters. And you can actually, like, we also had a couple of people asking about, like, for example, can I fly up a mountain and then have somebody else take over and then fly down a mountain? So while technically I don't recommend doing that, because you're gonna like disarm or something.
Are we doing a tunnel thing soon?
We gotta. that would actually work.
You have to find a proper bus to land on.
Well, yeah, a big one, yeah.
Yeah,
Because the big ones don't move that fast. So like, if you're familiar with Hong Kong, we have like 3 tunnels?
3 tunnels, yeah.
3 tunnels going
Cross harbor tunnels.
cross harbor, so underneath the water, between Hong Kong Island and mainland Hong Kong.
Hong Kong and Kowloon.
Yeah, Hong Kong and Kowloon, or New Territories, or whatever it was called. So, my plan was to land on the bus, let the bus drive through the tunnel, come up on the other side, and then fly back.
Yeah.
But yeah, for safety, you would have to have somebody on the other side who can take over the drone and land it, just in case you don't have video or you don't have control on the other side. Because it's kind of a, yeah, if
So we need a drone with a fairly grippy landing pads.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like I'm a grips.
Just like
Yeah. And then you're like, woo, woo, it's not going.
get steel to do like the sticker thing.
Yeah.
Just like stick to the fucking window
On the side.
on the windshield.
Oh man. Okay. So the way that it works is basically you upgrade your firmwares to 3.70 or higher
3.70 or higher, yeah.
on Crossfire.
And your Wi-Fi firmware would have to be 1.08 or higher.
Yeah. And that also, well, that happens automatically if you have your Wi-Fi connected to the cloud. And you need a cloud account, TBS cloud account, which means you basically just have to log in on the TBS H&X.
Yeah.
So what will happen is your Crossfire TX will synchronize with the TBS cloud. You will receive an user or an ID in the process, and that ID will be tied to your TBS agent, and then you basically upgrade your Tango 2 and your Crossfire TX on the same agent X, and they receive the same ID, and that's it.
That's it.
Yeah. There's like a setting in the Lua script, MultiBind enable, and then you just rebind it and then you're done.
That's it, yeah. Mike, don't give us bad ideas to do. We're not saying anything. Don't do it, but if you do it, post it in the lounge.
Yeah.
That's
Find
all
the
we're
SD
saying.
card from the person that definitely didn't do it, and then post it. We want to see it. We will have links in the description of this to Philip Seidel's blog, who has a video and a couple of instructions, and we're also uploading a PDF manual from Mark, who I guess he's in the comments. Yeah, he is. Who wrote a TBS style manual for us.
Hey, Mark.
What's up? Is it possible with the Micro TX or only Tango 2? No, okay, it works with any Crossfire capable transmitter. So full size TX, TX Lite, Micro TX, and Tango 2. And all of those 4 can bind to any of Crossfire receivers simultaneously. Oh, well, in sequence, but not at the same time. But you turn off your Tango 2, you turn on your Micro TX, they will still be bound.
And you're not going to bind both at the same time. First come, first served.
Any ETA for the Tango 2 update? Already rocking 3.21 or 7.1 on the TX. It's up.
That's the
It's
latest
up.
one.
Yeah, it's the latest one. So when it's up for the TX, sorry, then it's up for the Tango 2.
But not on my Crossfire Lite.
You got to check your connectivity with the cloud and the thing.
And make sure you have MultiBind enabled in Loa.
Well, I'm guessing he says he couldn't get the MultiBind enabled.
Couldn't get. Oh, okay. Well, okay.
Okay, so this has been available, I think, since like Tuesday, Monday night, Tuesday
Around
ish.
there.
Today's Wednesday, I guess.
Today is Wednesday. Yeah.
Wednesday, boom. Situational awareness, 10 out of 10. So yeah, a lot of people have already tried it, have given us their feedback, but today we're kind of launching it officially. So yeah, if you're confused about how it's going to go about, just wait until this video finishes. In the description we'll have the links to the manuals and instructions.
Yeah.
So
Today's episode is kind of like sponsored by Philip. Sponsored
yeah,
by TBS.
Philip by sponsored by Philip. Yeah. One guy's asking, isn't this a little bit of a copy of the FrSky Access with Share? No.
Huh?
No, because FrSky Access only allows you to bind with like I think it's up to 5 transmitters.
Right.
So this
I don't
this
know.
works completely differently. It's cloud based, so it's part of the TBS cloud infrastructure.
Wi-Fi.
It actually it makes no sense to bind your transmitter to your transmitter if you have a cloud device. Like why not? I mean, it's like you have your computer and your phone and they're synced with your cloud email account. Why have 2 different email accounts? Makes no sense, right? So we didn't change the binding procedure. We just changed the binding token. Where are you based? Hong Kong.
If you have 2 TX next to each other, which will be preferred? No, whichever one turns on first will be preferred.
People are going to get creative, Oscar. Yeah, I'm pretty sure people are going to get creative. This is actually like one of the most requested features that we couldn't provide is having people fly 2 TXs with 1 drone.
Oh man, this is gonna be so fun in Europe.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh man, I've never even been to Europe, and I know it's gonna be fun there.
But it's gonna be like the handover is gonna be super sketchy.
Go up, let it drop for a little.
Oh man, it's gonna like disarm, and then you have to like no, you have to 0 throttle, arm, and then throttle up.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Whoa, that's a long one.
I have the original big version of CRSF. Hope you're doing well. This is Mitchell Ritter of FPG. It's just curious, do you run the Crossfire Micro, Light, or Full on max output model on your radio?
What?
Looking to step into the realm and wondering if the Light is worth the price jump over. Okay. Well, it.
Why is there a timestamp there?
Because he copy pasted the question. Okay, could you explain how a handover would be in midair? Well, one guy would turn off his transmitter, the other guy would turn it on, and they would both be bound to the same thing. And please test it on the ground first. Okay, don't just share your login details of your TBS agent and just like what?
And this feature is not really for that purpose.
No, it's not. But it's
just
that's what people are going to use it for. Oh man.
MultiBind only got 1 radio. What the fuck are you talking about?
It's like cigarette papers are not used for cigarettes, right? So MultiBind is not going to be used to anyway. So Dan, it's a good question. If you need the additional milliwatts, then go for the big one. If you don't need the additional milliwatts, just stay with the Micro TX. That's pretty much it.
Well, if you're not flying with a radio with a JR Bay, then you want to switch over to something else, then
Yeah.
Go light or full size.
The benefit of the Micro TX is it's completely encased in a radio. The disadvantage is it has less output power. Works for every RX, yes. What about the status?
Yeah, I was just reading that. That guy's been watching us. He's been following on news.
Okay, what about this? Okay.
Now you know.
Well, it's ongoing. So I think the first like 100, 150 people are going to receive their packages in the coming days.
Great. Don't ask me about it because I still don't know.
No, he doesn't know. He's I don't know. Nobody knows. But yeah, packages are going out every day. They were starting on Monday, and there's every day packages are going out until I'm in jail.
You're in jail.
This is gonna be so much fun. Anyway, I just love fucking with countries. But yeah, you're gonna get the package. It's gonna be pretty fast. Check your tracking information. It's for U.S. only, so U.S. registered air. I think we should have caught up with the backlog probably by about Friday.
Why is it so freaking slow to download stuff? Well, because I guess everyone's downloading now.
It depends what you're downloading. If you're downloading the TBS agent, it's because you're in Europe and our servers are in San Francisco.
Plus traffic.
It's only like 100 megabytes. Like, come on.
It even took time for me to download from here.
Yeah, obviously, because it's in San Francisco. But I mean, like, growing up, man, we used to wait like 20 minutes for a porn picture.
Oh, one photo?
Picture for one photo. You had to like time when your mom was leaving the house. Like, all right, I got 20 minutes.
56K, dial it up. Start dialing.
You had like the links, 32 color, 256 color, and 16-bit color version. Kids, like, Jesus, complaining about 10-minute download. No other way, because like we had a server before and it was blocked in Russia and all these kind of problems. That was the one thing, and then we put it onto our TBS website server, and then that kept crashing. So, yeah. What is one Fat Shark added to V5? I don't get it. Why is it so freaking? No, okay, we already did this. Damn, we need shady EU shipping. Yeah, nah, that's not gonna work. But we do actually have, like, starting today and tomorrow, we will implement a solution for EU shipping. Probably we should do a lounge about that tomorrow.
Is that like? Oh, we can talk about that. That's not like.
Yeah, we
shady.
could.
Okay.
No.
That's legit shipping.
Well, somebody else is going to jail for that one. So we can talk about it.
All right.
When will the VAS 5.8 on IM Pro long range antenna be back in stock? We ordered it. It's en route.
Yeah. It's been, I think, around 2 weeks. Yeah.
2 weeks. It's not going to take another 2 weeks. Probably this week. Waiting for the DVR footage. Quad disarmed when switching to new pilot long range. Yeah. So okay, whoever tries this first, what are we gonna do?
Dude, someone's just gonna fucking disarm and then arm again.
No, they have to fly down the other side of the mountain.
The other side of the mountain.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
All right, sure.
Yeah. No cheaters.
Huh.
So whoever does that first, what are we giving away?
Depends on the.
We'll send you a full TBS
Wait,
pouch.
How many winners?
One winner.
One winner.
The first
okay.
guy. So we'll send you a full TBS pouch with all the tools and shit inside.
Tools and shit.
Yeah, like the straps, like the.
It's got a TS100 in it.
Yeah, fine.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
He said it. It's okay.
Like
TS100,
just
TBS solder.
a TBS gear pouch with tools and shit inside. Okay, don't quote me on whatever is going to be inside. There's just going to be shit
With
inside.
things inside.
Yeah, with stuff inside. Okay. That's like 3 wanks, bro.
What?
10 minutes that's like 3 wanks, bro. Did you see FlySky's new long-range module? What do you think about it? Well, we haven't seen it, but okay, it's a long-range module. We prefer the Crossfire version
For some reason.
for some reason. Trappy, what was your handle on BBB servers?
What?
Never mind. It was Trappy. John Sunstrom, there was a great EU priority shipping until the parcel stopped arriving or something like that. Yeah, I know. Fucking Corona. Back in January already, so, you know. Can the second radio be swapped fast enough for a multi-GP relay race? Say within the pit time? Probably not. You would have to be really, really fast.
Really fast.
Christopher Roja asks, what's the challenge? Fly up one side of the mountain, disarm, have somebody else take over, and then fly down the other side of the mountain. When will you release the Freedom TX update you talked about in the last live stream? It should already be up.
What?
Freedom
Freedom
TX? Yeah, the latest 1.11, I think.
1.1.1, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
wait, no,
should-
it was offline yesterday still.
Okay.
I haven't checked today, but
I'll have a word with the guy in charge. Should be up any minute now.
what defines a mountain? Oh,
If you have to ask,
if you, yeah, I
It
was
doesn't
just gonna
count.
say that.
okay, don't try to get smart. There are no mountains in Florida. Yeah, that's tough shit. Toolkit will come in handy after the attempt. Yeah, if you find the drone. Tango 2 should be arriving today. Yes, man, that's great. The Lower Saxony, the highest mountains we have are trash deposit. Does that count? No. Looking for flights to Switzerland. Anyone there have a Crossfire so we can win this challenge? Don't fly to Switzerland right now, man. You're gonna be in quarantine. When will we get our hands on the Source V? I think they already sold out.
Shipping, but
Yeah, we've already sold out. But we got more coming, so if you have an order pending, keep it pending.
Frames, carbon stuff, hardware is usually pretty quick
Yeah.
now, even though it's under the COVID shit, but we can manage it.
Do you guys still fly tiny whoops? Of course. Yeah.
Occasionally, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I almost leaked something.
I don't even know what that is.
The
Okay.
I just like really like, oh shit, no, I can't. I ordered a Crossfire for 50. What? A receiver? Dude, there are receivers in stock everywhere now.
For $0? Well, I don't get
50.
Oh,
We have now nice mountains in Colorado. I already have one in mind. Ever heard of Pikes Peak? Whoa! Isn't that the one, Pikes Peak, that's the one that they
Colorado.
drive the mountains up, right?
oh, like rally shit?
Yeah, but that's like a super high mountain. You don't have to make it that difficult. He's like, oh, I'm going to Mount Everest, man. Gonna find a Chinaman on the other side. Do you guys sell adapter for X-Lite? Cries in X-Lite. What? Oh. No, we don't.
Wait, what? I don't get it.
He cries in X-Lite. That's like a joke. if you cry in the, how to say it? Yeah, he cries in X-Lite. Like crying in Chinese, crying in English, crying in X-Lite.
Oh, okay. All right. Sorry. A little slow today.
He's a little slow. He can't help it. Amazon ripoff special. Yeah, dude. I don't know how Amazon makes money anymore. Like I went on there to check the prices.
They stopped shipping to Hong Kong.
Well, not
I'm just so fucking
dude. Not
pissed
only
right
that,
now.
it's like you pay so much for your shit there. Like if you compare the prices on, let's say, Get FPV to Amazon, it's always like 30% more.
On Amazon, is it more expensive?
Yeah.
You're saying?
Yeah,
I guess on certain items or.
most items.
Okay.
Unless it's like really popular stuff, and then it's same price. But that's only because the dealers are taking the hit.
Okay.
We have like Amazon contacting us every day. Sell on Amazon, sell on Amazon. It's like, no,
Because
fuck
I've been
you.
buying computer parts from Amazon US.
Yeah, okay, but that's like,
That's made in China and it's cheaper.
okay.
At least $30 Hong Kong cheaper and it's free shipping
And then in Hong Kong.
than in Hong Kong.
Yeah,
Like,
okay,
I
but
have to
Hong Kong is
fucking-
retarded.
I have to go to some trade to get it,
Yeah.
and then it's gonna cost me parking.
Yeah.
It's gonna cost me tunnel fee.
Yeah.
Free shipping from US,
Yeah.
cheaper. Why not?
Well, but that's Hong Kong. Hong Kong is moronic. Like the
Oh,
shit
the
that
rent,
they charge
the
here, yeah,
rent,
they're paying for the
rent.
rent. For the fucking landlord mafia. You guys should have a STEM program. Please explain, Jacob. We don't have STEM here.
Ooh.
Do
yeah,
we?
we do. Steam now.
STEAM.
added an
Oh
A.
yeah, for AI or what?
I don't even know what STEM stands for now.
Science, technology, education, manufacturing. I don't know.
Really?
No, I don't know. I'm just guessing.
There's so many STEM programs trying to get into
I-
drones in
I
Hong
know-
Kong. It's
Okay, well,
stupid.
yeah, I know, but it's like the education scams, right?
Yeah, yeah. And like you learn how to build a fucking Lego drone out of that.
A is art. Yeah, I know. Yeah,
Like,
yeah. I know a guy who is like involved with the maker space, and he has like some STEM and
mhm.
shit. So yeah, whatever. And I know Flight Test is a really good STEM program.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, I would have Bix teach my kids something. That guy's like fucking wealth of knowledge. Science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Okay, math, not manufacturing. There you go. Hey guys, got any problems with Philippines customs holding up packages? Planning to order some goggles and T2 from TBS website? No.
No reports from Philippines.
No issues. DHL is actually super fast to the Philippines. Dude, did that show you the Hong Kong moms post?
You told me about it today.
Oh, okay. I thought I did. So Hong Kong moms is like this forum of just fucking rich people. Well, rich moms. It's like the, how do you call them? Like the Real
Tiger moms?
Housewives.
Oh, housewife.
Real Housewives of whatever. Right? There's like, I guess there's TV shows, right, in the US
Yeah.
about like, okay, so there's the equivalent in Hong Kong is Hong Kong moms, and somebody posted a question there about flying a charter plane to the Philippines to pick up the fucking helpers, like the slaves that they keep here, to like do the cleaning.
Domestic helper.
The domestic helpers, yeah, holy shit, man. Cougars, no, nothing to do with that. It's usually like, well, it's like fund managers' wives, right? Who have
It's just-
nothing better to do than to.
It has always has to do with their country. Because the last helper we had at our house, she graduated from a pretty good university in Philippines, and
Mhm.
she said, "Well, coming here, I get to work like freely,
Yeah.
and I get better pay."
Yeah. Well, I mean, obviously they're doing it because they're better paid, but it's still, it's. I mean, how much are they getting? Like 5K a month?
5 to 7K.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's insane. for I think it's 6 days a week, right, or 6.5?
6 days, yes.
6 days?
1 day holiday, yeah.
Yeah. I just used to remember, like in Singapore, it was like 300 Singapore dollars a month. It's like 2K.
2K
But that was
Hong
like
Kong.
15 years ago or 20 years ago.
Yeah.
So yeah, we never got one because, like, not because we couldn't afford it, just because it was like, it was so cheap. It's like, no fucking way.
There's also always one thing. Do you want a stranger in your house 24/7,
Yeah.
touching all your shit?
Well, I wouldn't have problems with her touching my shit. At least my house will be clean.
Yeah.
Finally. But like here in Hong Kong, it's like, I don't know. Because you're already living in a tin can. Like now you're getting more people in it. Well, I guess it's not a problem for Hong Kong moms, right? There was another post. They had a kitchen cabinet, and it said, like, in parentheses underneath, like, full size kitchen cabinet can also fit one maid. It's like that was like a listing for a flat.
Yeah, like no joke. Some helpers would have to be sleeping in the closet.
Yeah,
It's not even a joke.
I know that
They have like mattresses on the top layer of the shelf
Yeah.
or the cabinet, and then they were bring a ladder and just climb up to the bed.
I know it's just fucking anyway. Because when we went to look for a new place, right, when we were moving, and they showed us like, oh, and this here is the helper's room, and it was basically like the door opened, and that was the size. Like it was just like the door opened, and then basically you had to go in, and you had to close the door, and then I guess you could like fold down a mattress and like sleep like a little bit curled up, and I was like, oh, that's rather large for a maid. And then the guy looked at me like like he didn't know if I was joking or like serious, and I was just like just started laughing. It's like, what the fuck? Like how can you even like present this to a client and say like, here's where you put a fucking person?
I assume they will have to be paid better than other helpers, right? Because if the situation is like that, they're gonna like, okay.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't care about these things. But I was like, what the fuck? Like, how can you even stand in front of that room and say a person can sleep in there? Like, maybe a 3-year-old kid has enough space in there, but that's about it.
I've seen that in person. My buddy's house, it's a pretty tiny house, like a normal Hong Kong house. I walked in, it was like 12 a.m. He goes like, shh, like, what? My helper is sleeping. And there's just like one leg out of the fucking closet or some shit. Just like one leg hanging out, like swaying. Like,
man.
I was like, what?
I don't get it. Anyway.
If both parties is okay with it, then yeah, but.
No. Like, even if she's okay with it, you just can't do that. That's like, there should be a Geneva Convention against this shit. It's like, just fucking have them like tried at the Den Haag War Crimes Tribunal. Fucking idiots.
What I missed, recap.
Not much, man. You haven't missed much. We just went on a complete tangent.
Maybe like 5 minutes of actual things
content,
related to Crossfire, but yeah.
Would a TPU print hinder radio transmission? No. Oh, okay. The fucking YouTube trolls are in. All right. Anyway, I guess that's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Link in the description after this.
Hang on just a sec.
Oh, you doing it now? The link?
No. I actually learned something today. Yeah, there you go. I hit my head when I was little. Yeah, that seems like a problem. All right, cleaned up the chat.
What was happening on YouTube?
Oh, there's just morons on YouTube. All right.
Can you put the link up there now, or I'll send it to you on Facebook?
I have to wait.
Because it has to like publish. Okay.
Yeah. So on Facebook, there's going to be a link. Higher output RX. Yeah. I know.
What?
On Crossfire RX with more telemetry output power.
Ah.
I got you, buddy. But it's been tough. Okay, recap. MultiBind, you can have your Crossfire Micro TX or full size TX or whatever, plus your Tango 2. Control the same drone. What you have to do is firmware 3.7
or above.
Or above.
And Wi-Fi firmware 1.08 or above.
Yeah. Connect to your TBS agent while you're logged in. Wait for the little green dot on the right side, and you're good.
Dude, a bird just fucking dove that building.
Oh, dude, birds are fucking insane.
Sorry.
I just got a notification that an order was sent to the Deutsche Post. I live in the US. Is that going to be an issue? Rhinosaur, what's your order number?
What did you ship it with? Pick to ship it with. Send it to Dutch Post, so I guess that's regular air? Or
No,
registered?
it was DHL.
Got it, notification order sent.
Rhinosaur, what's your order number? We'll have a look. We'll have a look right here live. Does the new MultiBind Crossfire update need to rebind the nano receiver? Push the button. Yes. Right? No. There is an instruction in the Philips Seidel thing how you don't have to rebind. Can I bind with a plane while it is in midair? No.
Not binding, no. Don't push it.
We gotta add that feature. Gotta give
Midair
it to
bind.
Gotta give it to law enforcement.
I'm stealing all your drones, just so you know.
Hang on, I gotta log in here real quick. Somebody falls parked again. Did you see the video I sent you today?
Which one?
On WhatsApp.
Oh,
somebody getting towed,
yeah.
yeah. Felt bad for the guy. Like having two radio, one at each end of the range. Yeah, you can do that. Rhinosaur, where's your fucking order number? We're waiting. Two 57791. Here we go. Two 57791, right?
Yep.
Oh, you are receiving the top secret shipping method package. Hang on, if I track the shipment. Oh, okay, the tracking doesn't work. We gotta fix that. Okay, the tracking link doesn't work. I guess it shouldn't. It's better if it doesn't. Hang on, I'll just track the order for you for a sec. Okay, it got picked up 2.5 hours ago.
And there's an ETA.
ETA is
May 21st.
Yeah, but that's not the final ETA.
Ah, okay, right.
So it's going to be shipped on Friday, so you're probably going to get it on Monday. All right?
What is the current safest shipping method? Of course, DHL or UPS.
But we will have news before Friday, promise. So US actually, right now there's just a backlog. We have a pretty big backlog of orders going to the US for registered airmail. And we will, well, I guess we'll have an update about that tomorrow. At the same time, we will have, Steve.
It's in all caps. He won a Tango 2
Yeah.
from Stu, and he hasn't gotten it yet since February.
Contact Wayne Ho on Facebook. Let us know your email address, and we'll have a look. Sorry about that.
Facebook.com.
But we have been out of stock for quite some time, so
/Wayne.fpv.
let's throw him in some. Well, we'll send you some free crown jewels, okay? Because you had to wait.
It's free crown jewels. Oh man.
The customs are gonna freak out.
Dude, like crown jewels, fucking dot
Yeah.
rockets.
Oh, the TBS 69. There's like dildos everywhere, man. What's this? Okay. Live tracking of orders. Yeah, we should do that one day. Just everybody can enter their order number, and we'll let them know where it's at. I have another order stuck in transshipment hub since April 14th. Okay, it's actually clearing up, but it's slow. It's painfully slow. Victor coded a script, so he can like run all of our stuck shipments in one go on all the tracking websites.
Okay.
And then it's gonna let us know if there's like any movement. So we're like seeing movements here and there.
Oh, so you just get a ping when there's something changed.
Yeah,
Okay.
something like that. If I order a Fusion and a Source V, ETA on shipping for them, about 3 weeks.
Fusion full module, I assume. Yeah, 3 weeks.
Yeah. The most elaborate use of tracking technology right there. Yeah. All right. Cool. I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Do we have anything else?
That's pretty much
Check out the TBS crown jewels. That's what we had on this on the lounge yesterday. If you want to buy them, they're stick ends. They work with any M3 compatible stick, and they are good for pinching and thumbing. And today was all about MultiBind. Look it up in the description below. That's pretty much it.
That's it. Yeah.
We'll see you guys tomorrow or the day after tomorrow with an update on all of the illegal and legitimate shipping options. Peace out.
Later.
Where's the screen? There we go.